What's going on, guys? This is Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Today we're looking at a 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. If you guys are looking to get your Jeep lifted, you should take a look at what we did to this one so you can get some inspiration for yours. To get started, the lift kit is going to be that 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit, which is going to help raise up the Jeep enough to fit this bigger wheel and tire package. So with the new JLs, with this body style, you don't have to raise it up as much as the JKs would. You would have to use a 3.5-inch lift to get the same wheel and tire package underneath the old body style. This tire is going to be a 35-1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is a step down from the mud terrain tire. So this one's still going to give you the nice aggressive sidewalls, that thicker tread, but it's also going to give you that on-road experience as well, with a quieter ride and a longer tread life. You have two other options as well. If you want to go with a little bit of a different hybrid tire, you have your Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is something we highly recommend, but also you can go with the Toyo Open Country AT3. Down here we have a 22x12 fuel stroke with a -44 offset. This one's gonna have that deep dish look, so you're gonna have about a 4 and a 4.5-inch lip on this wheel, which is gonna help push that center of the wheel in and really create that dimension, and also push that wheel and tire package out a couple inches, giving your Jeep a nice wider look. This one's going to be a very unique spoke design, and it's going to have that split spoke design, and with a little bit of the uniqueness of how they design the spokes, really give it a nice aggressive look, as well as including the rivets on the outside. It really just ties in that look all together. This wheel does come in a lot of different finishes as well. You have your gloss black and milled, your gloss black and candy red, gloss black and candy blue, and then this one does not offer your spike lug nuts or open lug, so you can't run the spike lug nuts on this wheel. Overall, this one does come in a lot of different sizes, so you can check that information down below if you're on YouTube to figure out all the sizes this wheel comes in. But overall, this is a really good looking wheel and tire package for this Jeep. So if you guys like this setup, you can get it for your Jeep right here at Krietz Customs. We can help go ahead and get that installed for you. But also make sure you check out our 0% financing option so you can go ahead and get your Jeep, go ahead and get it lifted now and pay later.